Hey family, this is Darlene. Today I am going to make some dangle earrings, and I'm going to try to make 4 pair of dangle earrings in 10 minutes. So I'm going to get started. We'll start with our wire. Let's go with some of these little small haloid beads. Actually, you know what? Let's do it with some of these beads. And see, even with that, one is bigger than the other one, but I'm still going to use it because I like them. And we'll go ahead and use these little small crosses. And that's what it's all about, being different. So I'm going to go ahead and, go ahead and fold that over. And we'll wrap. And I like to go across the bead downward and wrap it, and then the bottom of the bead. And we'll take it and wrap it around that. And that'll be one earring. And then we'll take it and we'll wrap it around, go across that bead, and then we'll go down around the bead at the bottom, and we'll close it up around it. And this will be 1 pair of earrings. Go ahead and put the not jump ring, but the fish hook on it, and box it up like we're on an assembly line. So that'll be 1 pair. And we'll go ahead and close it up. Actually, let me show you what they look like. That's 1 pair. And those go in the box. And then let's work on another pair. Go ahead and circle that, our little hoop. How about we go with the black matte beads? That'll be 1. That'll be 2. And I think I want to use these small haloid beads, so we'll put that there. That's 1. Oh, let's see, these are about the same size. And that'll be 2. Then we begin to twist. And then we'll take it down around. Right. And then I'll take it back up and wrap it around here. I lost my pliers for a minute. And I will close that around. And that'll be 1. Close it over. Our wrap. It's all about that wrapping. So we'll wrap. We'll go around and around. around, and we'll take it back up. And then we'll wrap it. Okay, and that would be 2 pairs. We'll put the fish hooks on them. If I put the fish hooks on now, I don't have to backtrack. And then the objective is to be time efficient, so we'll go ahead and put the fish hooks on. I want to see if I can get 4 pair, I don't know. 4 pair in 10 minutes or less. So that's 2 pair. Right? Really nice. And these will go in the box. And we'll do another pair. And then I will wrap the ends. Let's see, how about we go with, these are kind of nice. I haven't even used these yet. Let's see what these do. These are those clay beads. Let me go with this one. That hole seems small enough. Oh, these are too adorable already. So we'll wrap. Do I want to put something on top? Yeah, let's try that. See if I can. Make something a little special. So we'll use this one. And then we'll wrap it. And remember, we have to wrap. And then wrap. It's all about wrapping. And then take it here around that. Get it all the way around. I like to try to put the wire in the hole, like what I just did right there. That's how you know it's secure. Shouldn't come off or fall apart or anything. So that's that. And then we'll do this one. This is the 3rd pair. And we'll wrap. 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 And then we'll go around the bottom. Took it maybe a little bit too far, so we'll wrap it. And then try to get this in right inside of that circle, that hoop. And so we did. Yep, and that is 3 pair. So I'll put the fish hook. Okay. And that is the 3rd pair. Aren't those adorable? Okay, this is the 4th pair. Let's see what we'll get out of this one. Let's see which ones I want to use. Okay, so we'll keep on those, and let's see what we got. How about we use one of these, this green. I don't think I've used any of these yet, so we'll use these today. And how about, yeah, let's use a halide piece for this one too, the bead. Just to see what they'll look like. And we will wrap. And I think this one we'll just leave it up here. So I'll just need to make it flat. As flat as I can get it on the bead. Yeah, this is 4. And we'll wrap. And then we'll close this as close as I can to the bead. And straighten that up. And we will fish hook it. Oops. Okay. I think I went a little off on that one, but that's okay. There we go. Okay, and that is 4 pair of earrings in under 10 minutes. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell so that you'll be notified each time that I upload videos. I have some really interesting videos coming up for earrings that I'm going to be making. I'm going to be making more of the mosaic glass necklaces with different wire techniques on those, so I don't think you want to miss those. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the button so you'll be notified each time that I upload a video.